know the answer to this question, but nails are only going to be damaging if the person doing those nails is not looking after the natural nail. In other words, they're really filing the natural nail plate to the degree where they're thinning it out, and that's absolutely not necessary. We only file the nail plate with a soft file, no pressure used. Glasses are getting dark. And we're only filing the surface of the nail plate to remove the shine. Okay? The other damage is caused when the customer hasn't been educated in how to look after their nails. So if they start to bite their nails off and pull the acrylic or the gel off of the nail plate, these products are designed to stay on the nails. So they have to grip to a degree. So if they're pulled off, they're going to take part of what they're stuck onto with them, which is why you get damaged. So if that client has been educated well enough by their nail technician, they shouldn't get any damage. Okay? Who wants to ask questions?
I really like this.
The question is, can you sculpt on nails that grow upwards? So you know the ski jump nails, where the free edge raises and goes up into the sky? Okay, yes, you can absolutely sculpt on nails like that. And the easiest way to do it is to take the nail length down as much as you can, make them as short as you can, because it's generally the end of the nail that starts to curl upwards. So you take that nail right down, and as long as your tip or your sculpting board is placed at the right angle, you will then be able to correct that. What you do need to do though on an ongoing basis is to continue to take the free edge down. So it does mean a new set of nails every 2 or 3 maintenance bills. Okay? Other question? Aquagel is used as resin and powder. Anthony, the question is, can you use colour drops with Aquagel?
You can mix it with the gel that you use as the base, but you won't be able to mix it with the powder.
Yeah, so you should be able to mix it with the gel. You could probably confirm that also with the manufacturer of Aquagel.
I'm not sure how well it works though.
So, you know, I would possibly test it maybe on a tip, make sure it's okay, and ask the manufacturers of Aquagel. Next question. The difference between a colour drop and that's a very good question. I should answer that question. So Easy Glow have a total of 97 colours. Okay, and that is a combination of solid colours, of clear with glitter. So you've got 97 colours in the powder collection. The difference between colour drops is that you can add colour drops to your monomer, still use your clear powder and change the clear into another colour. We don't actually have any powders that are a colour but transparent. Does that make sense? Yeah, so you are adding another dimension. Not only that, you can create any colour you like. So if, for example, you use hot stuff out of our Death Dazzling collection, which is a pale pink base, not a solid, it's a transparent pink, like the normal pink and white pink that you'd use, but it's got big chunks of glitter in it. So if you use colour drops, like for example yellow colour drops in your monomer, with hot stuff, you're changing the pink into orange. So you're using a powder that you love, but it's not quite the right colour. You use your colour drops to change the monomer to create yet another colour. Does that make sense? More questions? Anthony's on the roll there. We've got nearly a whole hand done.
Yeah, right. Someone's good at that. Always. But you're doing a great job, can I
What
just say?
other variation of colours can we use? Well, Easy Flow actually offer what we call a design illusion class, where we show you how to blend colours together to create a nail bed that suits anyone that you'll come across. Because obviously you've got very white skin with a bluish tone, you've got yellow tone skin like me, or olive skin that have got more of an olive tone with a yellow base, black skin again with a very peachy yellow tone, and you need to know what colours to mix to get the exact right colour. So it's usually we have a base, a pansy from our pastel collection, and we will add to that to create the exact right colour for each individual person. But sky's the limit. You can do what I've done and have black nail beds. So you can do whatever you like to create whatever look you like to go with whatever outfit you're wearing, and that's the beauty of nail enhancements. Does that answer your question? Any more questions? First stage? No. No. The way to protect your colours is to use UV30. Now, it doesn't mean that just because we're suggesting that you use UV30 doesn't mean that the colours will fade. Okay? But what UV30 does is it actually creates like a mirror on the surface of the nail. And so the UV rays will bounce right back off. They won't go through the UV30 at all. So it's protecting the colours and keeping them very, very vibrant. The UV30's got an optical brightness, so it will actually draw out all of the colour that you've put on and really make it vibrant. I think we're alright, I don't know how much. So what the UV30 does is it keeps your colours vibrant, but it will also stop any possible discoloration. You know, someone's using sunbed all the time, or they're exposed to UV light from being in a hot country or going on holiday. Does that answer your question? Any more questions? Yes, you can. You can use it with other monomers, and you can use it with gels also. You can, if you're unsure, just double check with the manufacturer the brand that you're using. Okay, any more questions? That question was, once you've actually put the colour drops into your monomer, how long does it last for? We generally use these satin dishes and they have a cork lid, and that means that it's going to stop any evaporation.